Shalomim coin will soon be listed, and a lot of people have told you to position yourself. So in this video, I'll show you how to properly position yourself, and that is basically set up your Web3 wallet, import AssetChain mainnet to your wallet, import XRWA, that is Xend Finance reward asset, because it is the token that you are going to be swapping to your Shalom. So I'll show you how to import it to your wallet, how to purchase some XRWA. After doing the importation, how to connect your wallet on Moonpie.fun platform, because that is where Shalom is going to be listed on for you to buy. All of this I'll be showing you in this video, and all you basically have to do is to sit tight and pay attention. Now, the first thing you want to do is to go into your Play Store or your App Store and download OKEx wallet. Note, you are downloading OKEx wallet, not the Web3 wallet inside the OKEx app. Download OKEx Web3 wallet from Play Store or App Store itself. It's very smooth. Now, it depends on your preference. You could decide to use MetaMask, you could decide to use Trust Wallet or any decentralized wallet out there. But to get a smooth experience, I would advise you use this wallet. And here it is. I don't have it on my phone, so I'm doing this from scratch and I'm currently installing it. Once you have it installed, the next thing is to go ahead, open it up, and then set up your wallet. Now, you have two options. You could either decide to create a new wallet if you don't initially have a wallet or you have not interacted with AssetChain before, or you could decide to import. Now, I was already using my MetaMask because I have an account on AssetChain. I have done some trades here, to get myself on the leaderboard and reputation meeting, all of those stuff. So I already have a wallet that I am using. For that reason, I'm going to be importing that my wallet seed phrase into my OKEx. But if you don't have, I'm going to advise create a new wallet, get a new seed phrase that you are going to keep very secure. As you can see on my screen, I have successfully imported my wallet. So the wallet is still loading. Once it completes loading up, you can see this is my account. Now, the first thing we want to do is to import AssetChain mainnet into this my wallet. Yes, that is the first thing. And to do this, you go to this Discover section. Look at Discover. It is very important. So once you go to that Discover section, you look at the top of your screen, this search bar here. That is the browser section of this OKEx wallet. So what you want to tap now is app.assetchain.org. Now, if you don't want to type this out, it's easy. You could also check the description box of this video. I'll have left the link there so you can easily copy it and then use. But if you want to type it out, app.assetchain.org, then you confirm. It is going to take you to the AssetChain page. That is where, as you can see, they need a referral code. Yes, you cannot sign up on this page without getting a referral code, and that is where my code comes in, or any code you want to use. Now, if you need a referral code, what you basically have to do is to use Tonio. That is TONIO. So once you successfully type in the code, the next thing you want to do is to type on next, and then automatically you will be registered. So once you tap on the next, they will show my wallet address, and then they ask you to do your wallet connection. Then you go ahead to select OKEx wallet because you are using OKEx. If you're using MetaMask, you select MetaMask or any wallet you are using. So here is where you get to add the custom network, and that is basically there about that. I have successfully added network, and okay, I have to approve the signature request. So go ahead and approve it. Now, after doing this, the next thing is to show the AssetChain on your dashboard or to switch. But before that, you can see this is the AssetChain dashboard here. This is it. If I want to check my reputation, for instance, I can tap on this hamburger menu at the top left of my screen, and then I can go ahead and tap on this leaderboard. So once I go to that leaderboard section, you are going to see my reputation. I can check my on-chain reputation. You can see, look at the people that are ranking. This is number 1, number 2, number 3, and the likes. And if you also want to check your reputation, for those of you that have been yapping about them on X, this is where you get to check it. You can also type in your username here and check yourself. Now, tap on this gas station at the top of your screen. Look at it. You need to get this gas. The reason is because anytime you are doing on-chain transaction or you are doing transactions with Web3 wallet, you know that, of course, you need gas fee. But on AssetChain, transactions are free. But before you be able to do this transaction for free, you need to get the gas fee. And this is what they give you for free. So as you can see, I've come to this page now. I have tapped it. I'll wait for this box to get to 100. And then they give me the gas fee. The gas fee they'll be giving me is RWA. RWA. It is even the token that is the coin that we are currently, working for those of you that are doing on-chain transactions, reputation meeting, all of those tasks you are doing. It is for you to get RWA as an airdrop, and RWA will be getting listed somewhere around next year. So by then, they'll be distributing to us. So make sure you are well positioned, and that is basically that. For you to also carry out any transaction on this platform, definitely you will need a gas fee. So that is it. I have already gotten my gas. The next thing I want to do now is to exit this page and show you what the AssetChain looks like on our wallet. So I'm going to go back to this home screen. As you can see, these are the coins still displaying. So the next thing you want to do is to tap on this global. Look at this global at the top of your screen. Once you tap on it, you now use this search bar to search for AssetChain mainnet, and it is going to display because we have added it already. So as you can see, this is it, AssetChain mainnet. So I go ahead and add it, and you can see this is RWA. This is the token. This is the coin that we are currently working for. This is the coin we are currently doing all those reputation, all of these things to get the airdrop. This is it here, RWA. And you can see this balance on my screen here. This is the one that I got from that gas. Yes, the gas that I just clicked right now. My balance is slightly more because I think this is the second or third time that I am getting gas from this platform, and I have not exhausted my gas. Now, what we need to do is to import XRWA. XRWA is different from RWA. XRWA now is Xend Finance reward asset, and it is native token of the Xend Finance app. That is what is going to be trading against the Shalomim token. So what we need to do next now is to import it into this our wallet, and that is what I'll be showing you in the next part of this video. So I'm going into my Telegram channel now, and the reason is this. Look at I already dropped the link here where I said I'll be making a video tomorrow on how to post for how to position for Shalom and blah blah blah. I think I made a mistake in that post. This is the link here. This is the link to get the official contract address. The reason why I dropped this here, and if you need it, you go to my Telegram channel. I'm going to drop the link in the description box of this video. You can currently get it on my Telegram channel or on Xend Finance app. Yes, beware, be very careful, because this period, scammers are very smart. They'll take advantage of this and they'll distribute fake contract addresses out there. There are some contract addresses that you connect to your wallet and then something's go wrong. So make sure you are very careful and make sure you are getting it from the right source. So after copying this link, because I am using the link instead of copying the contract address directly and import. So once I do that, I go to the discover section of my OKEx again. I paste in the link and then I go ahead to load it up. So it's going to take me directly to AssetChain page. That is, I think their is the AssetChain scan or something like that. AssetChain scan. All blockchains have it. We have Binance scan, BSC scan, Tron scan, and the like. So this one is for AssetChain. The next thing I want to do is to go ahead and connect my wallet. Very important. So once you connect your wallet, you switch network, which is what I'm doing on my screen here. I'm switching to AssetChain. So after switching, the next thing you now want to do is to go ahead and do the importation. Now tap on this little MetaMask icon. Yes. Once you tap on it, it's going to take you to this page where you get to approve. Some people might be wondering, why is the icon not OKEx since you are doing this in OKEx wallet? Well, that is just how it is on the page. But since we are doing this on OKEx, it is your OKEx wallet that will get connected, and it has been imported successfully. So you can see on my screen here, you can now see XRWA, and then you now see the RWA. So the next thing you need to do to position yourself now, aside from connecting to Moonpie platform, you need to first of all purchase some XRWA, and to do this you need to use the Xend Finance app. You can also purchase from Gates.io, but I'm going to advise use Xend Finance app. So you can download this app, complete your KYC. It's easy. I did mine in just some minutes and I was approved. So you complete it and then you'll be able to purchase. For the sake of the length of this video, I will not show you how to purchase XRWA, and I have already made several videos on how to buy coins on this Xend Finance app. So you can check my YouTube channel for such videos. I'm still going to be making another video on how to buy XRWA. But in case you don't want to go through all those stress, you could also message me to help you do the purchase. But then that is basically that about that. So once you've purchased your XRWA successfully, you go back into your OKEx wallet, copy your XRWA wallet, and then you just simply fund your wallet. After funding, the next thing to do to now position yourself is to connect to the Moonpie platform. And from what you're seeing on my screen here, this is the official X account and this is the link. So what we need to do now is to head into our OKEx wallet. You head over to the discover section once again, and then you paste in the link. Now for this link, it is small letter Moonpie, Moonpi, Moonpie.fun. So once you type that in, you go ahead and load up the platform. I'm going to confirm, and then it opens up. So this is it here. Moonpie, this is just it's a place where you could also list your token. Just exchanges have it. So you could list your tokens here, or you could also, trade tokens, which is where the Shalom token is going to be listed on. So it is a decentralized exchange. Now, as you can see, I have connected my wallet successfully. So what I want to do now is to wait. When Shalomim coin gets listed, the contract address, as Savin has always said, is going to drop the contract address. AssetChain is going to make a post on the contract address and or likes. So once you get the contract address, you come here and then you can see this search bar. You can now search for the contract address of Shalomim coin, and then you can purchase. And for those of you that will still not want to go through this stress of doing all the connection and buying here, you could also buy the Shalomim coin on Xend Finance app. Yes, but according to them, the Shalomim coin is going to be made available on Xend Finance app, I think 48 hours after it is listed. So yes, you'll be getting in late. That is what it simply means. But then that is basically that about that. Watch out for my next video where I'll be providing more updates. And if this video was helpful so far, make sure to like, share this video, and drop a comment in the comment section of this video. Let me know what are your thoughts and what more do you think I should make a video on? Where did you get it wrong, so that I can, do more explanation. But then that is basically it. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload a new video just like this one.